Welcome, dear traders. For you, this update about Bitcoin, what is going to happen with Bitcoin, and accurate entry ideas. Technical and fundamental analysis I would like to share in this video. That's why I ask you to push like, subscribe and turn the bell to get such updates in the future. Let's start. My dear friends, first, before we start, I'll share with you fundamental data that's really important to analyze before we go to technical analysis. But before, I recommend you to subscribe on our free Telegram channel. The link in description. You will get such useful updates, articles, videos on daily basis. And also we have a free platform where you can open and get a course for beginners. Take a look. It is bicotrading.com. You open for beginners, and here is a list of topics that's essential that every beginners need to know, and it's for free. Just watch it and become a better trader. Let's come back to Bitcoin, and at the beginning, let's analyze this fundamental data. As you can see, I publish it in our Telegram channel that you can gain it for free. Do you see that during that bull market, bull run on Bitcoin, we had clear pattern? What it is, do you see? It is balance on exchanges. It is balance on exchanges. It is reserves, BTC reserves on exchanges. And during, do you see that exactly when the trend line were broken, what happened? Balance started, people started depositing Bitcoins on exchanges. What does it mean? That's a signal of a bear market. Do you see that during this bear market, what they did? They deposit quite a lot of money, my friends. And take a look. Only when Bitcoin create a real low, I would like to share that real low. Only after that, the trend stopped. Take a look here. When after this real low and massive volume hunt, the trend stopped, and take a look what they started. They finally started withdraw Bitcoins from exchanges. It's a good signal, my friends, because it's a signal that big guys accumulate Bitcoins. Remember how it works. When you buy Bitcoin, and to keep it safely, you withdraw it from exchange and put it into cold storage. Why? Because exchange could be banned, exchange could disappear, all of that. It's not secure. Secure to keep your money like in cold storage. That's really secure, especially if you have like thousands, like 10,000, 20,000 of Bitcoins. That's why it's really good signal that soon big guys could accumulate enough Bitcoins and started a new uprise. But remember that as the traders, we need to open a trade according to fundamental and technical analysis. And I would share with you a position as a trader, what to do if you do a trade. Because if you are an investor, I have a simple recommendation for you. Buy Bitcoin by dollar cost averaging. That's the best strategy for people that believe in Bitcoin. Every month you have like a salary and you believe in Bitcoin, like put 10% in Bitcoin and buy it at every price when you see it, and you will have good average price at the end of a year, because when it will drop, you will buy it in a range, you will buy it, and you accumulate just Bitcoins until next bull cycle. That's it. That's the best strategy. For traders, we need a clear pattern and clear entry points. That's what I would like to share it with you. At this moment, many people pay attention to this trend line breakout pattern. Why it's so important? Because it was like a signal that breakout may happen. And by the way, I personally also took a trade. I would like to share with you my trades that I took on Bitcoin today. And I personally also thought that Bitcoin may start a beautiful uprise. Where is it? Short my Bitcoin, my friends. Take a look. It was today, my friends, I took two trades. I opened also a sell trade. And here I kept my buy trade on Bitcoin. Do you see? I closed it exactly before this trend line breakout, and I sent it into our private VIP community. Because, my friends, what I saw and what was the reason why I closed my buy trade on Bitcoin. Take a look. Today in the morning, someone just sold only on Binance 354 Bitcoins, exactly at high. Take a look on this, take a look how it happened. Bitcoin, what they did, they rise up, and here someone sold exactly at high 300 54 Bitcoins. Do you think it was for a buy? Of course it wasn't for a buy. That's the reason why I took the short, because it showed to me that we have powerful sellers that would like to move instrument down. That's it. That's why I opened this short trade at trendline breakout. I would like to share with you my short trade on Sol and on Bitcoin. Remember that those trades, it is not for a long term, it is a scalp trades. Not scalp, I would say local swing trades, because take a look what I did. Do you see? Bitcoin broke trend line and I entered. Take a look. Entered, after that I added some volume, and take a look what's going on. At this moment, what my friends, what is my thought? If all this trend line breakout is a trap, there may be even bigger drop. As I said, that's my thought. I would like to share with you another example when I open a trade and also share it in our VIP community, where people also put big size in a footprint on a spot. Take a look. On Thursday, I opened buy trade on Bitcoin, but take a look, 1,800 coins someone put into footprint, And take a look what happened with Bitcoin after that. I would like to share with you. It was this situation. Take a look what happened. Price did reload, and at bottom someone opened a trade at 1,800, exactly at reload, 1,800 Bitcoins. Imagine 1,800 Bitcoins, you can multiply by 330 to 200. It is 57 millions, and only on Binance. That's the reason, my friend, why I took long position. It was scalp trade. I didn't keep it. If I would keep it, my risk reward was amazing. Said I didn't keep it for a bigger period of time because I thought I didn't thought there would be so amazing uprise. Imagine that from this place, Bitcoin get drop, rise up so much. Take a look. Bitcoin rise up 1 to 11. Oh my God! At this moment, I have the most important question, which I would and you would ask yourself: is this breakup? Is it a trap? Remember, if it is a trap, how it will work? There would be a beautiful trend line, and it will break it down. I think, my friends, if this a trap, there may be a break back into a range, and after that, clear and beautiful breakdown. Why? Because imagine a lot of people that bought Bitcoin in this range. What will happen to them if Bitcoin would drop, would make at least a real low? What will happen with their position? Of course, they would run away and would scream and would hit their stop losses. That's why I think at this moment I would pay attention. If there would be additional drop and there would be no really serious volume increase at bottom, that would be a signal for me that drop may continue, and really good and powerful support for the drop could be that volume that we traded on Thursday. Imagine. That's it. That's why at this moment I keep my BTC trade and I moved stop loss before that volume on Thursday. That's it, my friends. That's why. Remember, if Bitcoin would drop to this key level, what would happen to other top coins? Tell me, please. They would follow. Friends, at this moment, I invite you to join our course, Scalping. If you would like to learn how to do your trades intraday by using DOM, footprint, all of this stuff, we create a special course where I or my team members would work with you and would share with you that knowledge, and will share with you strategies that you can use on daily basis. That's why below this video there would be a link. You should write and you should ask about participation. That's it. At this moment, about Ethereum. Ethereum, it looked like promising yesterday, because yesterday I thought that Ethereum may break up this local trend line, and Ethereum may started bull run. But my friends, there is no reaction. Take a look how really slowly and poorly they started that uprise. And what happened with Ethereum? Yes, Ethereum just simply followed Bitcoin. If at this moment there would be bounced, my friends, there would be even better breakdown for Ethereum. I think for Ethereum, a huge chance that Ethereum may retest this area. I would share it with you, this area. It is a place where Ethereum exactly break the trend line. I think at that moment, I think Ethereum may retest that area, and it would be exactly a second wave down drop. That's why if there would be clear hit, if price at this moment, what they would do, they would bounce from it, I would trade breakdown pattern on Ethereum. That's it. About buy, I don't see any buy idea at this moment on Ethereum, because this buy idea, it crashed. Yesterday I tried to take Ethereum trade, and what I did, my friend, I closed Ethereum today. Take a look. Yesterday I shared the trade in our VIP community. Take a look on this Ethereum, and I already closed Ethereum today at where I close it. Take a look. I close it at small profit Ethereum before breakdown, because I didn't, if I wouldn't close it, it would take my break unit. But like, better to close it with some profit than give money back to the market. Dogecoin. About Dogecoin, I would pay attention to all of this. Dogecoin. Dogecoin, my friend. About Dogecoin. Do you see that Dogecoin also like broke this local trend line, and Dogecoin may drop? I think I would pay attention to this real low, because about Dogecoin, there are a big volume at bottom, and I think people that started buying here, they may be started to support Dogecoin again, like it happened here. I would pay attention to this real low if that may happen. If there would be false breakout, that could be a good buy entry. At this moment, if there would be a retest of trend line, you also can open short position. Ripple, my friend. Ripple, what they did this local re-high, and what else? Ripple followed for other top coins, as you can see. That's why about Ripple, Bitcoin bearish, I would recommend to open some trade with real lows. That's it. About Ripple, my friends, I read all news. Take a look. Before this analysis, I read all news about all top coins, and I would say that still there is no signal how they would finish that lawsuit. That's the reason why Ripple completely unclear for me, because some people write that lawsuit will be really long for a few years, and like you can do whatever you want. Some people say that there would be problems, like just do your trades and follow money flows. That's it. What else? Ripple. BNB. Binance Coin, by the way, what they did fake out. And about BNB, I would, by the way, BNB may be the best possibility to take short trade after some retest. If there would be a retest on BNB, I would like to take a trade. About BNB, globally, it's really interesting, because we had so many bad news about BNB. It's like United Kingdom stopped allowing to deposit money to Binance. Some problems in Germany. China completely banned Binance. But there, like BNB didn't drop. That means people that keep BNB, they don't care, or Binance buy all that sell pressure. That's it. At this moment, pay attention. This entry is possible, pull back, or pay attention to this lower trend line. There may be another pattern. If there would be squeezing to this trend line, breakdown of this trend line may be also good second pattern. That's it. Cardano, my friend. What about Cardano? Cardano, as all other top coins, do you see what they did? It was like, okay, we broke this trend line, but at this moment it looks that they would break it down. I don't recommend to open a trade right now, because, why? Because at this moment the biggest volume, by the way, biggest volume at high. It's good, my friend, it's good. Biggest volume here at high, it is not for buy. I would recommend, if there would be additional range for at least 1 hour, to trade breakdown. Dot, my friend. I thought they may break it, but they didn't break it, and they did exactly opposite. And what at this moment, my friend, what I can tell you, if there would be any retest, you can try to open sell position. This example for you, my friend, it's a clear example for all of you. If Bitcoin bearish, you just need to follow Bitcoin. Example for you, my trade. Yesterday, I took a long trade on Sol, but I closed it and opened opposite direction. Take a look. Yesterday, I took long trade at this false breakout and relow, and what I did, and I close it and reopen sell trade. Why, my friend? Take a look example for you. Take a look on this, my trade. I close it with small profit. Why? Because Sol shared with me really beautiful and clear pattern, trend line breakdown, and I took it. That's example for you why you should, it is this trade. Take a look, trend line breakout, and here my sell trade. That's example for you how you should follow the price, and when price share with you clear pattern, just go for it. Bitcoin Cash, my friends, there's no reason to pay attention to any buy idea on Bitcoin Cash if Bitcoin is bearish. That's why any pullback to this area could be a good entry. Let's take a look. That's just example for you how market changed completely when Bitcoin, instead of breaking the trend line, started dropping. That's why be wise, my friends, and follow the price. Remember to write comments if there would be a lot of comments. I would record such updates far more often. Also, my friends, if you're interested in such clear updates where I share my trades, also write it in the comments. Thank you. See you soon. Goodbye.